Hey guys, have you ever wondered how some people manage to pull off those flawless vacation posts on Instagram, even though you know they didn't travel? The truth is, faking the perfect vacation has become an art, and it's surprisingly common. Whether you're just curious about the process or looking for creative ways to up your editing game, stick around. At the end, I'll share the ultimate tool influencers use to make their posts nearly impossible to spot as fake. First, let's talk about why some people fake vacations. Whether it's to save money, create unique content, or just for fun, the appeal lies in crafting something visually stunning. But remember, authenticity always wins in the long run. Use these tips to explore creative storytelling rather than deceive. From influencers creating viral posts to people experimenting with photography, this isn't always about deception. It's about the techniques that go into building those iconic visuals. Step 1. Choose your dream destination. Think of places that are instantly recognizable. Paris, Santorini, or Bali. Why? Because the more iconic, the easier it is for people to believe your post. Pro tip: study hashtags and trending posts for your chosen destination. Match the lighting, angles, and vibes you see online for added authenticity. Props are everything. For a tropical vibe, grab a beach towel, a fruity drink, and maybe even some fake palm leaves. Want to fake a city scene? Use a coffee cup, a croissant, and a simple background that screams elegance. Transform your space into a travel hotspot with everyday items. Creativity is your best travel companion here. Once your props are set, it's time to nail the photo. Use a well-lit spot or a green screen for easy background edits. The goal? Match the lighting and angles of the destination you're faking. Apps like Photoshop and Snapseed let you replace backgrounds seamlessly, add shadows, adjust colors, and use filters to enhance the realism. Consistency is key. Your background and lighting should flow naturally together. Videos are where the magic happens. Record slow motion clips of yourself walking or turning your head dramatically, then overlay them on stock footage of iconic destinations. Apps like CapCut make this super easy. Don't forget sound effects. Waves, birds, or bustling city sounds complete the illusion. Start with a pre-trip teaser, like your suitcase at the airport, then post in stages, showing your arrival, some local cuisine and scenic views. These small details create a believable timeline. Location tags and hashtags like Wanderlust or My Travel Goals add that extra layer of authenticity. And here's the ultimate tool: drones. Influencers use drones to capture dramatic angles of local spots, then edit them to look like exotic destinations. With the right filters, even your backyard can transform into a tropical paradise. Let's be real. Faking a vacation isn't about lying. It's about experimenting with creativity and learning the art of visual storytelling. But remember, there's nothing more fulfilling than experiencing a place in real life. So, what do you think about the techniques behind how to fake the perfect vacation? Have you ever tried anything like this? Or are you more about real travel? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Your next creative project or real adventure is just around the corner. See you in the next video.